Hi everyone, I am V and welcome to my lifestyle channel where you can find shop with me, home decor, decorating, cooking, world travel and much more. Stay tuned and see what I have for you today.
Ready to do this hole here in the deck. I put up this umbrella. I actually bought this here, the stand from Tuesday morning, the umbrella also from Tuesday morning. It's not a round one. And now let me get my hammer to knock out this area right here. Yeah, the reason why I put the umbrella up because the sun was so hot earlier. So this is how I'm going to replace this wood right here with this one. So to make my little hole, I'm gonna pound this in as much as I could. Pound this all the way out. And I'm going to use my jigsaw to now cut into it and then lift it up. So let me go get my jigsaw and cut into this. So there's a beam right here. So we don't want to cut the beam. I want to just cut enough up to the line. So let's plug it in first before you try to cut, right? I will use my drill bit and go into here. I went beyond the rot in the wood. So now that I made the hole, I'm gonna go now and put my jigsaw in here. So I cut this off. So now that I cut it, I'm gonna just pull it apart with the hammer. Okay, so that's what we have right here. I'm gonna go a little bit beyond the area where I use the jigsaw. So this is what it is looking like. I'm about to fix that. So now we're gonna do this side here. And I think I could pick up this whole piece. I should pick up this whole piece right here. Let me move this wood. Okay. Yeah, I think I should replace this whole piece. Not that I needed to, but I have all of this. So let's do it like, let me see how I envision it. See? Could easily put a hole in here. So, yeah. Let me take off this piece right here. No, I'll show you how to get into the middle. Let me just take out this piece right here and then come back. So I went all the way down to the joint. So let's lift up this piece here together. Ooh, that was easy now. So let's pound this away. And that's what she wrote. So this is what I'm going to fix. See? And I have an area here to nail it in. This nail right here act like it don't want to come up. Oh, yes, it did. Oh, yes, it did. I have one more to take out. Then I'm going to go ahead and measure this piece here and line it up properly and replace the floorboard that is damaged. So this is what it is looking like, all removed and dust out. And this is the bottom of the deck, but this is the top of the patio. So let me take this one here. Let me get this one and put it in place. It looks like it's a little bit too wide, but oh no, it's not. I thought I would have to do some shaving and a shaving, but look like it's not. So, oh, guys, it's perfect. I only have to cut a little bit off, so I'm not going to cut the good wood. What I'm going to do is I actually going to bring the whole piece up to about here, because why get rid of good wood to leave all wood? So I'm going to have to now bring it right here. Okay, we're going to take this out of here. I'm doing the one hand. I'm doing the one hand. So we're going to do it like this, the opposite way, to make sure that my name is not bad cut today. I usually do some bad cuts. So let's see. Bring this all the way in so it's jammed to this side, because up until here it will be perfect for me to expand it to this length. Because you understand, why would I cut the good wood to not use the other piece but then to waste it? So I'm gonna go ahead and take out some more of the flooring up until this part right here, and then I'll come back, because I already show you how to do most of it, right? Actually, you know what, I'll just show you what I'm doing. So what I'm going to do, I think I'm gonna just go up the middle with my jigsaw. Yeah, I'm gonna just go up the middle and then come across. Oops, did I have this upside down? Okay. So what I'm going to do now is take the saw in at an angle. Okay, let me take this back up. So this is the floorboard, right? I'm going to go in like through the joint of it and try to cover it. So I could go back in and I kind kind of went beyond the point. So what my plan is to do to get it like right up to where the nails are, where the beam is, so I could have something to secure it in place. Did I say in space? In place. So let me go ahead and fix that. So I lift this up to get a little leverage to cut. So I want to cut the middle of this because I need for this to have an area for me to put the nails in, and for this side to have an area for the new side for me to put the nails in. So let me go ahead and cut it and I'll come back. So now that I cut it apart and I make sure there's even space so this piece could fit in here, the new piece, I'm going to pound this one back in place so it has some way to sit on. And it's about to start raining. Let me see what I could do with this. I might have to, not I might, I do have to cut a little bit off of it. Not much at all. Just a little sliver. Just a little. And the only reason why I'm cutting it, is I could have replaced the whole piece, but I only bought one piece of wood just to fix. I thought I was just going to fix a smaller area. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark this piece off and cut it. So it's marked off. I'm gonna use my saw. Need my other hand so I can't hold the camera with you. So guys, I cut it in space and it looks good. So from end to end, you could do it. So hey guys, as you can see, I'm drenched, I'm sweating. Yes, I was working in a dress. So one of the reasons why I started my channel, not that there's not enough channels, I wanted to, like, when I was single and a lot of stuff that I needed done, I had to do it myself because my money was funny and my change was strange. So I had a habit of fixing. When I lived in New Jersey, I had my brothers there that, could guide me through stuff or help me. And well, growing up, like I said, my mom is the person that I feel that influenced my design style and the way she did stuff, because my mom was a hands-on type person too. So as you see, if I could do this, this is the reason I was telling you that I started this channel, to show that, single mothers, people, money that is funny and change that is strange, that you could buy the wood. I think this was $7. If a workman came, he would have charged you like maybe $60 or more. And a lot of these things you could do yourself. So now I am going to put up the other piece, the other rail. I don't want to fast forward. I want you to see like some of the stuff. It may look like time consuming or whatever it is, but you also saving money. And I am actually happy. Like this piece of wood right here is like I don't build a whole deck. So going forward, I could replace all of this on my own, saving me lots of money. So guys, if you like what I'm doing here, look at the little handiwork, girl. Look at this. And yes, I did it in slippers and a dress because let me tell you what happened was. What had happened was, if I had go in my room to change, the bed would have called me out and the bed would have won. So I'm here. I have other projects here going, and I will take you along because I love doing these things on my own. I really love doing it. So guys, if you like what I'm doing here, check your girl out. We could do some more work together. I still have to paint this whole thing. Then I haven't even shown you the covered porch. I'm going to paint this one also, but everything in stages. I'm not going to do like a whole reveal. I want you to get parts of it like really cool, because I only came up on the deck just to paint this. And now, so guys, as you see, I am drenched, sweating. Please like, subscribe, share, hit the notification that when I upload videos, you'll be one of the first to be notified. I appreciate you all for watching.